Snakes have slithered across our planet for over 100 million years, adapting to nearly every environment imaginable. Despite their success, they remain deeply misunderstood, often cast as villains in our stories, yet also revered as symbols of wisdom and renewal. Their ability to shed their skin has inspired powerful metaphors for transformation. The story of the snake is ancient, written in fossils and DNA, stretching back to the age of dinosaurs. Their unique, limbless bodies are evolutionary marvels, allowing them to swim, climb, and burrow with grace. To truly understand snakes, we must look past fear and see them as incredible survivors, each with a secret life. Our journey begins with wonder, exploring how they perceive the world and the astonishing variety of their forms. By peeling back the layers of myth, we can appreciate snakes as vital, fascinating, and beautiful parts of nature. Their story is one of adaptation and resilience, a quiet testament to the enduring power of life. Watching a snake move is like seeing a living river flow, pure fluid motion without a single leg. Their bodies are long, flexible spines with hundreds of vertebrae and powerful muscles, enabling the classic S-shaped serpentine locomotion. Snakes have also evolved unique movements for different terrains: concertina motion in tight spaces and sidewinding across hot desert sands. These adaptations let them thrive in environments from burrows to dunes. Snakes experience the world differently. They lack external ears, sensing vibrations through the ground with their jawbones. Their forked tongues are not a threat, but a sophisticated tool for smelling the air, collecting chemical cues, and delivering them to the Jacobson's organ. The forked tips help them pinpoint the direction of scents, tracking prey or mates with precision. This acute chemical sense gives snakes a three-dimensional smellscape. Their silent world is alive with subtle signals, each one a clue to survival. Every movement and sense is a product of millions of years of adaptation. Snakes are masters of their environment, perfectly tuned to the world around them. Their limbless bodies are not a limitation, but a triumph of evolution. Snakes have conquered nearly every habitat on Earth, from rainforests and deserts to rivers and oceans. Their diversity is staggering. Over 3,000 species, from the coin-sized Barbados thread snake to the massive reticulated python and green anaconda. Even cities and backyards host adaptable species like garter and grass snakes, quietly controlling pests. Each species is a product of millions of years of evolution, perfectly suited to its environment. From tree-dwelling emerald boas to burrowing hognose snakes, their variety is endless. Every snake tells a unique story of survival and adaptation. Their presence is a testament to nature's resilience and creativity. All snakes are predators, with hunting strategies as varied as their forms. Some, like pythons, are patient ambush hunters, while others, like coach whips, actively chase down prey. Once prey is caught, snakes use either constriction or venom to subdue it. Constrictors wrap their coils around prey, tightening with each breath until the animal can no longer survive. Venomous snakes inject toxins that quickly immobilize or kill. A snake's jaw is a marvel, unhinged and flexible, allowing it to swallow prey much larger than its head. They walk their jaws over the meal, slowly drawing it down their throat. Diets range from insects and worms to rodents, birds, and even deer, depending on the species. Specialized snakes, like Africa's egg-eaters, have unique adaptations for their chosen foods. Each meal is a testament to the snake's evolutionary ingenuity. Snakes subdue prey in two main ways: venom or constriction. Venomous snakes, like cobras and vipers, inject complex toxins through specialized fangs. Neurotoxins paralyze, hemotoxins break down tissue. Their venom is a hunting tool, not a weapon against humans. Most snakes, however, are non-venomous, relying on powerful constriction to quickly stop blood flow to the brain. King snakes, for example, are immune to rattlesnake venom and often prey on other snakes. Both strategies are evolutionary solutions to the challenges of survival. Neither makes a snake good or bad. Each plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Understanding these methods helps us appreciate the full spectrum of snake adaptations. Snakes are not monsters, but masters of survival. Snakes are essential to healthy ecosystems, acting as natural pest controllers by keeping rodent and insect populations in check. Their presence protects crops and limits the spread of disease, benefiting both nature and humans. As both predator and prey, snakes are vital links in the food web, feeding birds of prey, mammals, and even other snakes. A thriving snake population signals a healthy environment. Their decline can warn us of deeper ecological problems like pollution or habitat loss. Snakes occupy diverse niches, trees, groundwater, reflecting the state of their habitats. By maintaining balance, snakes contribute to the resilience of nature. They are not villains, but guardians of the ecosystems we depend on. Their work is often unseen but absolutely essential. Respecting snakes means respecting the natural world itself. Snakes have fascinated humans for millennia, appearing in myths and religions worldwide. In the West, they often symbolize temptation and evil, shaped by stories like the Garden of Eden. Yet in other cultures, snakes are revered. Egyptian cobras symbolize royalty, Hindu nagas are protectors, and the Greek rod of Asclepius represents healing. The snake's ability to shed its skin inspired ideas of renewal and transformation. Aztec and Aboriginal myths cast snakes as creator gods, shaping land and life. This duality, creative and destructive, reflects our own struggles with fear and wisdom. Snakes are canvases for our deepest anxieties and aspirations. Understanding their cultural significance helps us move beyond fear to appreciation. As human populations expand, encounters with snakes become more common, often with tragic results for both. Habitat loss is the greatest threat to snakes, pushing many species toward extinction. Fear and misunderstanding lead people to kill snakes unnecessarily, despite most being harmless and beneficial. Education is key. Learning to identify local species and respect their role in nature. Conservation efforts protect habitats and reduce conflict, ensuring snakes' survival. Protecting snakes means protecting healthy ecosystems for everyone. A snake in the garden is a sign of a thriving environment, not a cause for panic. Coexistence is possible when we replace fear with respect. Snakes are not the monsters of myth, but ancient survivors, complex, vital, and deeply adapted to their world. They maintain balance in ecosystems, controlling pests and serving as food for others. Their decline signals trouble for the environment we all share. Most snakes are harmless, shy, and would rather avoid humans. By learning about and respecting snakes, we help preserve the natural systems that sustain us. Let's replace fear with fascination and persecution with protection. Their story is a remarkable chapter in the Book of Life, one that deserves to continue. The secret life of snakes is a world of quiet wonder, and it's our privilege to share the planet with them.